What if you could have a presidential diamond mentor available 24/7, guiding you every single step building your ASEA business? Not just any mentor, but someone who achieved ASEA Presidential Diamond rank in record time, someone who understands exactly what it takes to build a thriving, sustainable ASEA business while balancing family, work, and personal commitments. Today, that's exactly what I'm offering you in any languages. I have compressed 7 years of ASEA experience, 20 years of network marketing experience, and knowledge from over 300 trainings videos I created over the last few years. So now I'm introducing Zoltan Presidential, your personal AI mentor built with my brain, my strategies, my proven system for ASEA business. Building an ASEA business isn't always easy. You might be facing so many challenges such as confusions about where to start and what focus on daily, difficulty maintaining motivation when results are not immediate, challenges finding new prospects consistently, uncertainty about how to effectively present the ASEA opportunity, struggle balancing business building with family work commitments, information overloaded from too many sources and conflicting advices. If you have experience in any of these challenges, you are not alone. Even the most successful leaders face these obstacles. The difference, they had mentorship, guidance, a system to follow. That's exactly presidential AI mentor provides, but with one crucial advantage: it's available to you anytime, anywhere. This is not just another chatbot. This is my brain, my experience, and my mentorship digitalized and personalized just for you. Zoltan Presidential AI Mentor contains a complete ASEA Club 1 compensation plan knowledge, deep understanding of ASEA scientific foundations and redox technology, ASEA policies and procedures, the wisdom for 3 transformational books that shaped my success, the entire ASEA next level marketing methodology, the ASEA ethos principles that drive sustainable growth, and my proven MG123 qualification vetting process. But knowledge alone is not enough. What makes Zoltan Presidential AI Mentor truly revolutionary is how it works with you as an individual. This is not about generic advice. This is a personalized coaching that creates weekly action plan tailored specifically to your life situation, to follow-ups with your consistently ensure implementation, adjust strategies based on your strengths and challenges, provide practical solutions to everyday business building obstacles, delivers motivation exactly when you need it most, strengthens your weaknesses through targeted guidance, keep you focused on your why when distractions arise. My journey to ASEA Presidential Diamond in record time was not accidental. It was built in a proven system, the same system now embedded in Zoltan Presidential AI Mentor. This system focuses on 3 critical areas: strategic implementation, not just what to do, but when and how to do it for maximum impact. Second, consistent accountability, regularly check-ins that keep you focused and moving forward. Third, personalized adjustments based on your unique situation, not one-size-fits-all advice. For the first time, I am making Zoltan Presidential available to serious ASEA business builders who want personalized mentor available 24/7, actionable daily and weekly guidance, consistent motivation and accountability, proven strategies for finding prospects and building your team, expert help with creating compelling offers and effective follow-up, support in achieving Club 1 qualifications, all without burnout, overwhelm, or having figure everything out alone. To get started with your personal Zoltan Presidential AI Mentor today, drop me a message, complete your quick profile setup, begin receiving personalized guidance immediately. I stand behind this system because it contains the exact strategies I used to achieve Presidential Diamond in record time. These are same principles I have taught to countless successful ASEA leaders. If you are serious about building thriving ASEA business that provides true time and financial freedom, Zoltan Presidential Mentor AI will be your most valuable partner on the journey.